Hello learners and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. In this video, we are going to learn inscribing a rectangle inside a circle. So to inscribe a rectangle inside a circle, the method that we are going to use, I'm going to explain it in this video. To start the construction, you first need to measure the distance of 5 cm, which is going to be the radius of the circle. I will use a ruler for that. I'll keep the pointed side of the compass on the 0 point of the ruler. Measure the distance 5 cm in the compass. Now you can see the two end points of the compass have the distance of 5 cm, and I will construct a circle. Mark point. Label that as O, which is the center of the circle. Place your pointed side of the compass firmly on this point and then complete the construction of the circle. After you have constructed the circle, the next step that you have to do is you have to mark any point here on the circumference of the circle. From this point, you have to start your further construction. To begin that, you will firmly place the pointed side of the compass on this particular point that you marked and make an arc with the same distance as radius of the circle, that is 5 cm here. Now shift your pointed side of the compass on the arc that you made, place it there and make another arc with the same distance, that is 5 cm. Likewise, you will continue to make arcs till the time you reach the first arc that you had constructed or the point that you had selected. So the last arc that you will make will be exactly on the point from where you had started your construction. After this construction is done, the next thing what you have to do is you have to highlight these points where the arc is intersecting the circumference of the circle. Just highlight them a little bit. After this, I'll start from one of the points that I have highlighted. I have to skip the next point and take the point next to it. And then these two end points I have to join. I'll make use of the ruler to join these 2 points. Similarly, on the other side, on the opposite side of it, these 2 points I will join. After I have joined these 2 points, this and this end point, I have to join it with a ruler. And similar construction I will do opposite to it. This is how I have inscribed a rectangle inside a circle. Inscribed means all 4 vertices of the rectangle are on the circumference of the circle. But the further condition here says that it has to be inscribed in such a way that the diameter of the circle is the diagonal of the rectangle. Firstly, I will label this rectangle as PQRS. If I construct the diagonal PR, it passes from the center of the circle, that is O, and line PR automatically becomes the diameter of this circle. Diameter means joining 2 points from the circumference of the circle which pass from the center of the circle. Here PR becomes the diameter of this circle. So PR and SQ are the diagonals of this rectangle. At the same time, they are diameter of the circle. This is how we inscribe a rectangle inside a circle. I hope you find this video very helpful to understand the method of construction. If you have liked my video, don't forget to put a thumbs up for this video and stay tuned on my channel for more such amazing concept videos. Till then, bye bye.